Master the art of active listening in debates and discussions. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to discuss a key component of effective participation in debates and discussions: active listening. It's not just about speaking your mind. It's also about how you listen and respond to others' perspectives. This skill is vital, not just in debates, but in everyday conversations as well. So, let's dive in. Active listening is a communication technique used in counseling, training, and conflict resolution. It requires the listener to fully concentrate, understand, respond, and then remember what is being said. As a panelist in a debate or discussion, active listening is crucial to understand the speaker's point of view thoroughly before responding. In any debate or discussion, the objective is not merely to put forward your own points but also to engage with those of others. Active listening helps you to understand other panelists' perspectives, identify the strengths and weaknesses in their arguments, and construct a strong response. Active listening might sound like it's just about being quiet and letting the other person talk, but it involves more than that. Let's see how you can hone this skill. 1. Full attention. Give your complete attention to the speaker. Avoid distractions. 2. Nonverbal cues. Use body language to show you're engaged. Nod, maintain eye contact, and use open body language. 3. Feedback. Show that you understand the speaker's point. You can paraphrase their argument or ask clarifying questions. 4. Empathy. Try to understand the speaker's perspective, even if you disagree. Just knowing about active listening is not enough. It's a skill that improves with practice. Start practicing in your day-to-day conversations. You can also watch debates and discussions on TV or online platforms and observe how participants engage with each other. Remember, practicing active listening makes you a better communicator and debater. That's it for today's lesson on active listening. Remember, in a debate or discussion, listening is just as important as speaking. By engaging in active listening, you'll be able to understand other panelists better and respond more effectively. So, keep practicing, and you'll see the difference it makes. Until next time, happy learning!